Hello friends and welcome. Today I would like to discuss about candling of eggs. Candling is a method used to observe the growth and development of an embryo inside an egg, where we can use bright light source behind the egg to show details through the shell. That is called as candling. Why it is called as candling? Because the original source of light used were candles. That's why it is called as candling. Why to candle the eggs? Candling allows you to monitor egg fertility, embryo development, and weight loss rate during the incubation. To identify and remove non-viable eggs, that is infertile or early deaths. You can also avoid the risk of rotten eggs exploiting and contaminating your hatch with the dangerous germs. So you can look for signs that the egg is a winner. That means egg with a successfully developing embryo, that is called as winner. How often you should candle the eggs? So it's a good idea to candle the eggs on a day 7th or on day 10th and then again on day 18th, right before you set the eggs into the hatcher. That means when you transfer the eggs from setter to hatcher. So don't handle the eggs at all after day 18, as the chicks inside will be preparing themselves for hatch day and shouldn't be disturbed. So before day 7, the eggs will not have developed very much and it will be difficult to distinguish between good and bad eggs. So for best results, you should candle the eggs in a dark room. You can use either individual candler or the mass candler. You can see in this video how egg is being candled. So here individual candler is being used for the candling of eggs. Try to use always dark room for candling the eggs for getting the best result. When you candle the eggs, you may see the air sac, then pores in the shell. You can also see the yolk. You can also see blood vessels or a thin red ring around the yolk. And if the egg has been in the incubator for a week or more than that, you may see the embryo moving inside the egg. In case of Yorker, inside of the egg looks fairly clear with no visible dark spots, blood vessels, or blood rings. Candling also can be used to detect the blood spots, meat spots, or it can enable the observations of germ development during the incubation of the egg. You can look for the signs that the egg is a quitter. So a quitter is an embryo which has stopped developing at some point during the incubation for one reason or the another one. So some eggs can quit due to poorly maintained temperatures or the humidity, and some are contaminated by the bacteria. Also you can look for the signs that the egg is a yorker. That means yorker is an egg that was never fertilized and has no chance of developing an embryo. At the end, which type of final results you can expect from the candling? So you can expect egg may be infertile. You can expect that egg may be fertile with live embryo, and also you can expect egg may be fertile but it is having the dead embryo. When the egg is infertile, the eggs may be transparent, clear, and highly porous. When the egg is fertile with live embryo, it is opaque with the movement inside, and when egg is fertile but it has a dead embryo, the egg may be opaque without movement and the blood rings are observed inside the egg. So for better understanding of the candling process, you should remember all the short steps of the embryonic development during the hatching process.